Today I am going to tell about Moraes. He was born on 19 July 1938. His full name was Dominic Francis Moraes, popularly known as Moraes. He was a German writer, a poet and columnist. He published nearly 30 books. Moraes was born in Bombay, Mumbai, to Bernie and Frank Moraes, former editor of the Times of India. He attended Stanwell School, Mazagan, Mumbai, and Jesus College, Oxford University. Moraes spent 8 years in Britain, London, and Oxford, New York, Hong Kong, Delhi, and Mumbai. He edited magazines in London, Hong Kong, New York. He became editor of Asia magazine in 1971. He scripted and partially directed over 20 television documentaries for BBC and ITV. He was a war correspondent in Israel, Vietnam, Algeria. In 1976, he joined the United Nations. Moraes conducted one of the first interviews of Dalai Lama after the Tibetan spiritual leader fled to India in 1959. The Dalai Lama was 23 and Moraes was 20. Moraes ended his writing career writing books in collaboration with Sri Srivastava. Thank you.
In 1956, age 18, he was courted by Henrietta Moraes. They married in 1961. He left her according to his close friend London but did not divorce her. He had a son, half Moraes, with his second wife Judith. He later married celebrated Indian actress and beauty Leela Naidu. And they were a star couple known as across several continents for over 2 decades. They separated in the mid-1990s. Awards and recognition. Hawthorne then Prize for the Best Work of Imagination, 1958 for the book of Poem of Beginning. Autumn Choice, the Poetry Book Society for the poem 1960. Thanks. I am going to recite a poem written by Moraes. The Garden. I wake and find myself in love, and this one time I do not doubt. I only fear and want out to a long parlor with a dog. The innocent and guilty me here in the garden filled of fear. But I'm afraid of you, my dear. There was a reason I forget, and I by shyness am undone, and can't go out for fear I meet my poems dancing down the street, telling your name to everyone. The leaves lichen pills from the wall. My conversation goes the dog. He knows it all, that I am in love, and you care much and not at all. I shall still keep my word. Gloomy, I wait to my dust. It grieves me only that I must